Today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful boho wall hanging. Do subscribe that Decor girl for more wall hanging and home decor. First cut some moon shapes on cardboard paper. Now take some plaster of Paris. Now take some POP and mixed it with some water. Here I took this amount of POP and 4 to 5 tablespoons of water and mixed it thoroughly. Make sure there are no lumps. The paste should be as smooth as it looks. Apply this mixture on the cardboard we cut earlier. Now we are going to create some textures with it. We will do the same thing with all the pieces. Now I am making a hole with a sharp pointy thing. I don't know the name of that thing. Now I am creating a crater, moon crater, with the help of the end of a brush. After drying, I am going to paint this with white paint. And this is the color time. I am applying black Fevicryl. Don't forget to paint the back also. Now with metallic color, I am going to give it a shade. The pigment with some alcohol. Now take some beads and a thread and attach them with the pieces. Now take a branch and tie a thread at the two ends of that branch. Eco-friendly materials goes very good with the boho decor like branch, jute, etc. Do the same thing with all the pieces and hang them on the branch, and that will look something like this. There you have it, your very own boho wall hanging. Thanks for watching.